Okay, now we're gonna make an app tier list. Now, this is for only this video. So, let's start with Discord. Discord is one of the best texting, voice chatting app. It's great, but it also has a lot of secret Easter eggs, tips and tricks, and many other things in it. And many other functionalities than any other voice chatting app. So yes, and we can even make our custom emojis and all that great stuff. So yes, let's put it in S tier. Now let's start with Subway Surfers. Subway Surfers is really a low quality game, and lots of people rage at it. However, it's not really played that much. It's not even like popular that much. Only for kid YouTubers, but I don't understand why people would play it. So let's just put it down, all the way down to G tier. Now let's start with the next app, which is Talking Pet. Oh yes. We seen iShow Speed Rage at it, and yes, that is pretty much like the only series that got a lot of credit. However, it is played a lot and it has a lot of memes. It just got started in like 2021, and now it's been like viral and all that. Even Twice Shorts made a video with Talking Ben in Minecraft, trapping him in a jail. So yes, we're going to put that in S tier. And let's just put Talking Ben, as it is one of the most popular apps. Next we have Spiro, or Spiro EDU. Spiro are these little robots, and there's many different types of them. Specifically, Spiro Bolt is used a lot. But they're commonly used in schools with Spiro EDU. And it's controlled by the computer. But even though we have a keyboard, the way to make it go faster is by using the literal, like it's using the literal joystick. It makes it go very fast, and it makes you win every single race. So yes, let's put that in S tier. Next up, we have Skype. Okay, I get it. It's similar to Discord, but it's only like a voice chatting app. And it really has not much to it. I mean, let's just put it in B tier, honestly. Skype. Okay, this next one is a bit on the low side, and it's not really, I don't know how to describe it. But we can, there's this app called, what was it, it was called Microsoft Word, and it was used a lot back in the day, even for ARGs and all that. And it's still used today, but it's not popular. However, it is used a lot, so we're just gonna put it in A tier. Next up, we have the Discord developer portal. I know it isn't really a app, however, it is acting like an app, and it has a secret thing like to take Benzina's face, which is one of Discord's developers. Now we use this to make our own bots, and do all that stuff. And we can use URL generators and all that. And it even has a lot of documents. So yes, let's put that in there. Discord developer portal. I've made 4 bots with the Discord developer portal. So yes, I will put it here, as it is the most commonly used to make Discord bots. Next up, Portal or Portal 2. Okay. Yes, I know that it's not like an app, but games are apps. So this game, or these games specifically, you have a portal gun and all that. And there's even a lot of mods, but it's also for like a puzzle sort of thing. And yeah, it it used to be played a lot back in the day. And yes, it's still played, and even though it isn't that popular, I'll still put it in S tier. As there's many mods that are still played and many uses for it. Next up, Minecraft. You know exactly where I'm gonna put it, right? S tier. And yes, it's the most commonly used sandbox game, made of blocks, and all the updates, like the wild update coming soon in the future. We have the preview edition, but we're still gonna put it in S tier, as it is the most commonly used. It's still on YouTube. It's played a lot. Anyways, now let's put it in S tier. Next up, Among Us. Okay, Among Us. I know we have the meme. Stop posting abuse. However, it's not dead. Like seriously, do you think this is dead? Do you think this makes Among Us dead? Like seriously, it's not dead. It's still popular and it's still played on YouTube with a lot of memes and all that stuff and animations. So we're just gonna put it in S here. All right. Next up, let's see what other apps can we. Oh, let's pick a Mario app this time. Let's see. Oh, I know one. Super Mario Run. Okay, this isn't really the most popular, but it's like a fun mobile game, and you play online with other people and their Mii's. So instead, let's put this in. I would just say B tier, as it couldn't be as popular to go to A tier. So let's just put it in B tier. Super Mario Run. Okay, let's see. What can we do now? Well, let's see. What other apps can we use? Let's see. Well, F&F. Okay, I get that. Okay, there is an app on mobile. It's called Beep Battle. However, it's just literally F&F. But there's lots of mods, and it's probably the most popular game that has been like taking over the internet since last year. So yes, we're gonna play in A tier. I mean S tier. Alright. So now let's talk about let's talk about all the different like settings on sorts of devices like iPhone. okay, it's pretty much just all that settings and stuff. However, it does act a little bit like crap, and it's actually pretty laggy in some cases randomly. So instead, let's just move that all the way to C tier. Because it's not really that much popular as a setting, but it's also like very laggy. I do not care about the iPhone 13 Pro's iPhone setting. But let's see. What else? We could do Android settings. All this pretty much the same. Let's see. Nintendo Switch. Okay, yes. I get that it's not an app, but it is a section and it acts like an app. I mean, let's just put that in a B tier, as it's less it doesn't like act like crap all that much. So let's just put it here. What about let's see. What else could we do? Oh, Epic Mickey 1 and 2. Epic Mickey. Okay. This used to be played a lot back when it was released. But let's put it in A tier. Damn, only Microsoft Word is in there? Damn, it's all left alone. Well, not anymore. But yeah, the Epic Mickey games are so good. Trust me, they're great. They're so great that I just keep messing around and not even finishing any of both of those games. I just keep messing around and having fun with it, honestly. I mean, I don't even want to finish it. I just want to keep messing around. And it also explains a little bit more of the lore that Oswald and Mickey Mouse are the brothers. So yeah. But now let's talk about FNF. Okay, FNF Go is a website. That's like an app. Like these apps with the Minecraft NPC, Minecraft PEI add-ons. So what do you want me to do? You ain't gonna tell me anything. You're not the ruler. You are not the ruler. Anyways, let's put it all the way up to S tier, as it has pretty much every FNF mod. And yeah, sometimes it can be a little bit changed and laggy. But that's pretty much the only thing we got instead of playgames.com, which we're gonna put that all the way down to F tier. Like seriously, playgames.com. You see this, like playgames.com, that has the most it's the worst experience for anything. It runs like very badly. And if you want the truth, I'm not telling you the truth, which I just told you it's not the best. Playgames.com, you suck. You make a better engine, like FNF Go, Microsoft Word, Talking Ben, Discord developer portal. You little